Now to the death of Trayvon Martin. George Zimmerman, who is charged with second-degree murder, is seeking a new judge in the case. NBC's Carrie Sanders is in Sanford, Florida this morning with the details on that. Carrie, good morning to you.
Well, good morning, Savannah. It's up to Judge Jessica Rexidler if she will recuse herself from this case. She's already publicly acknowledged the potential conflict of interest. Meantime, the lawyer representing George Zimmerman, who says his client was acting in self-defense the night he shot Trayvon Martin, filed papers here on Monday asking the judge to step down. But those documents, like so many associated with this case, are currently sealed from public view. If convicted of second-degree murder, 28-year-old George Zimmerman could spend the rest of his life in prison. With so much at stake, defense attorney Mark O'Mara wants the judge to fully vet any conflicts of interest she may have in this case.
There's certainly the potential of a conflict. Get it taken care of now. Get to a judge who can be with us for the entirety of the case.
What is the potential ethical conflict? Judge Jessica Rexidler's husband is also a lawyer. Jason Rexidler works mostly civil litigation at one of the largest law firms in Central Florida, a law firm where Mark Nejame is a partner. Zimmerman had asked Nejame if he would represent him, but when Nejame declined, he recommended O'Mara. Adding to the mix, Nejame is a legal expert on contract to CNN and HLN to comment on this case. Another twist, Nejame and O'Mara are friends. Both were legal analysts on WKMG-TV in Orlando during the Casey Anthony trial.
In a high-profile case where everything is magnified, even a small conflict can become big enough to take a judge off the case.
If Judge Rexidler recuses herself, the case will be randomly assigned to another judge. It's up to whomever resides over this case to decide if the investigation records should remain sealed or should be released to the public. A consortium of news organizations, including the New York Times, McClatchy, and NBC News, has filed for the release of all documents. That could include photos of George Zimmerman the night of the shooting, a videotaped interview with police, Trayvon Martin's autopsy report, and detailed investigative narratives by detectives.
Our public records law says if the information is information the defense should get, then the whole public should get it. It's just part of the whole way of looking at how our justice process should work. Open, transparent, available to anyone.
A bond hearing is scheduled for this Friday, and these issues could come up then. But a court administrator here says the schedule is not set in stone and could change.